Hey guys, so welcome to the weekly oil notes. I wanted to just introduce myself. I'm Zarine, founder of Team Heal, which you are a part of, as well as we are a part of the Whole Fit upline. So you may be seeing some of the videos and the education from myself, as well as you may be seeing some from Ange Peters, who is our upline and part of the same team as well too. So what you're going to be doing with each of these weekly oil notes that you'll be getting, you'll be receiving an email in your inbox each week introducing you to different areas of the oils. So whether it is home cleaning, how to use those oils the first time you open them up, different DIYs, different recipes, how to detox your home, as well as one of the added bonuses of being a part of our team is that you also get to be a part of the different programs that we put together every couple months throughout the year. So that could either be the deep cleaning ones where it's detox your home. It could be the healthy habits ones where we include diet, fitness, essential oils, because it's all about your lifestyle, right? Essential oils are only a part of that lifestyle and your integral wellness. So this is where we hope that you join us along this journey for each of the weeks. You will also be getting the opportunity to, in the emails that you'll receive, if you want to skip ahead. So if you want to go gung-ho and go through all 12 weeks at the same time, you can do that as well. You'll see a link at the bottom of your email to give you access to kind of jump forward, jump back, be able to refer back to everything that we've shared with you over these 12 weeks. Then at the end of it, we will also be giving you the opportunity to become a wellness advocate if that's something that you wish to do. So if you've fallen in love with the oils similar to what I had, for me, it took me about 7 years to make that transition, and that's okay. So if that's something that feels good to you and that's something that you'd like to share these oils with others or do it as an additional business to also earn financial freedom in addition to your health freedom, where we'll introduce that the very last week to you and give you that opportunity as well to change and upgrade your account if you haven't already done so. So thank you guys for taking this journey with us. We appreciate it, and we will see you guys in your homes over the next 12 weeks as we walk and guide you through this beautiful journey of oils. So if you have any questions, feel free just to reply to the email that comes out to you. I will personally respond back. It might take a couple of days to get a response back, but I definitely will. And if I am not the one that had directly enrolled you, feel free to reach out to your direct enroller. So whoever had introduced you to the oils the very first time. So welcome, and we're so happy to have you here as part of the community and a beautiful part of this wellness lifestyle. Take care.